YouTube, I must say the exhaust sound so amazing at high rides or high RPMs. The bike just screams. But I gotta show you how now that the header are not that titanium brown golden look, it's just black, it really stands out on the bike a lot. Like if you look at it from a distance, you can't even really tell I have headers or header. And then the all black underneath the bike muffler header, it's just all black. You know, I just really like the way it looks. So yeah, the M4 slip-on exhaust I think is a great addition to this bike for what I want to do. As far as the track is concerned, it's not too loud because it still has the baffle inside of it. I do want to hear what the bike sounds like without the baffle, but as for right now, as soon as this plane flies over, you know he's chilling. So I do want to know what the bike sounds like without the baffle. I'm right now also waiting for Revzilla to release these turn signals, and the case covers are going to be black. And yeah, I do plan to remove the passenger pegs because I don't like to ride with people, or don't plan on riding with people. I do plan on getting the brake fluid delete, rear brake fluid delete, so this is going to go away. I do want to get these from the ZX10, but I just got to get my hands on someone that has that bike. Hello. And once I get the heel guards in black, to me the bike will overall be a completely black bike, except the tape on the rims and little accents like this and this. But for the most part, the whole bike is going to be red and black. One more thing I want to talk about, if you guys noticed that I did put back my mirrors on the bike, only because right now I'm riding it primarily on the street, and there's really no sense as to have that one mirror. I actually don't like it, to be honest with you. I don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it's kind of in the way on my wrist when I get low on the bike. So for right now, I'm only going to use my OEM mirrors. And yeah, tell me what you guys think in a comment below as far as what the bike is looking like. And there is plenty more to come. I do plan on getting some steel braided lines for the rear and the front. Those are coming soon to the channel. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. And I got plenty more. Thanks for watching.